Okay, here I'm gonna review the Vax Air Cordless Vacuum, which comes in a really big box. It's really easy to use. Comes with 2 batteries, which again really easy to take out and put it back. Of course, come with a charger as well. There is a really good brush which can take all the hair. Now I'm gonna show you how to use it. You can easily use it on carpet, rug, or even wood. Here you have the brush roll, which you can take it off. You can use it usually on carpet, as I said, not for hard floor. And here is the button power, which it got bust as well. You can even have a light. And now I'm going to use the brush as well. It's really easy to use and really good going. That's more like the button for the really hard work. If it's used just as a vacuum, it doesn't work very well, so I will try and use the brush on this one. As you can see, it's a lot better with the brush, although it's a bit easier to use with the brush. And here you have all the dirtiness. As you can see, it's got a lot of hair, and it's really good to use even if it's a pet home. It's really easy to take it out. As you can see here, I have it in my hand. It does have an air filter which is need to be washed. Okay, and this is the Vax Air Vacuum Cordless. Again, as I said, it's really easy to use because it comes with 2 accessories, which can be used on stairs or even for the walls. Okay, and of course we have 2 batteries, so which gives you a lot of time to vacuum and clean. Okay, thank you very much. This was my review.